He's got that little hip check that he does. I see you. Oops, sorry.
Got a little friend out there. Why don't you play with him?
So much calmer in context than Charlie.
Hi. I know. I see you.
There you go.
Oh, Coop. Uh-huh.
Look at Cooper. Don't play with him. Don't be looking at me. Oh my goodness.
No, sir. It's not self-service. I know you're trying.
Pete.
So you want to also be looking at their tail positions. If they're up high, they're being like, you know, they're kind of pumped up, as opposed to if it's tucked, means they're scared.
Oh.
Oh. Good job. Do you have yourself cornered there, buddy? Charlie's like, come out and play. Come on. It's a nice invitation, bud. You just want to work. I know. It's good to have a good work ethic. But I'm going to ignore you right now. That was cute.
Yeah, Cooper. He's trying with everyone.
He's fast, isn't he, Coop? They're like, what's happening? Someone's walking. Good job, boys. Good job. Yeah, he's that happens a lot. He's comfortable at home and not so much when he's with a new environment and dogs he doesn't know. So notice the tail positions, how different they are with Charlie and Cooper. Because Charlie, the Chihuahua mix, has his tail up. Oh, hi. And Cooper has his tail more like parallel to the ground versus up. Mm-hmm. Now he started with his tail tucked, so that's much better. Yeah. Oh. Good job.
Yeah, the little one's really in charge here, huh?
Mm-hmm. Cooper's doing good, though.
He bounced back.
Yeah. He likes to run for 1 sec. Oh, you tell him. You're going to get in trouble, Otter. Oh, you're in trouble. He's got a good little hip check.
It's like a referee.
I know. I don't think he really understands the Chihuahua.
Yeah. Oh. He's gonna kick your butt. He's gonna kick your butt. Yep. Oh my gosh.
He's a little Napoleon. Like really going for it. Good job, bud.
Oh. Oh boy. Up. Here we go. Oh, no humping. Okay, good job. You know how to get out of it.
All right.
Yep.